Today we're checking out the CKX Mission AMS helmet with the electric shield. The first thing you're going to notice is the shield is already installed. No extra parts, no swapping, nothing to worry about. That's huge if you ride in cold weather or deal with foggy visors. The helmet itself feels solid. It's not too heavy, but you can tell it's definitely tough. The finish, it's clean and sleek, and the design, it's not too over the top either. The electric shield is clear, perfect for low light or night riding. Once you hook it up, it keeps the fog and frost off, so you don't have to crack the visor open or fight visibility issues. It's super simple. It pops in and out just like a standard shield if you ever need to clean it or swap it. Ventilation on the helmet is also good. It's got the front intake and rear exhaust so air can move without feeling trapped, and the chin strap is easy to buckle with gloves on, which makes a big difference in the cold weather. The helmet itself fits pretty true to size right out of the box, and it's pretty comfortable too. There's nothing weird, nothing stiff, it's just ready to ride. The bottom line, if you ride in the winter, an electric shield helmet like this is a game changer. It keeps your face clear, the liner is easy to wash, and it's comfortable for all day use. It's a really solid setup for anyone dealing with cold temps. So don't spend the rest of the snow season with a cold, foggy helmet. Pick this up at denstkirk.com today and stay warm.